How's it going, everyone? My name is Coty, CEO and founder of Restore Token. Today I would like to get into a little bit on how you can participate in the ICO. So I know there are a number of different ways you can go about it. For you to be able to participate, first off, you would have to have your own actual wallet. We highly recommend Trust Wallet, Ether Wallet, or MetaMask is one of the three. The reason why I would highly recommend Trust Wallet over the others is because Trust Wallet has a big following, and then also for the fact that it is partnered with Binance. So you could probably expect certain things to happen with Binance if that was the case, or a better reach, I would say, at the end of the day. My Ether Wallet, MetaMask are strictly, from what I have seen, like a web browser plugin. So you would have to be at your, either your computer, or if you're pulling up on your phone, you would have to pull up on your web browser. So it's a little bit inconvenient because they don't actually have an application. However, Trust Wallet, from what I know, is the only one that gives you the right to your keys, and you are able to pull that up on any other browser. You can pull it up on any other wallet application. As long as you have your keys, you're good to go. Some of the disclaimer that I'd like to go through is when we created the ICO, we had to go ahead and we had to peg the Ethereum price at that current time. Now, the Ethereum is pegged to its price on November 15, 2020. It was upon creation of our smart contract. After completion of the ICO, however, you will automatically receive additional REST tokens based on your purchase date. So what that means is, whatever the day was that Ethereum is priced at, we will give you X amount in compensation. So as of today, you will receive 36,720 REST per Ethereum that you contribute to the ICO. However, you may not receive 36,720 because it is based off of today's price point. However, we're aware of this and we already have a system in place. So don't worry, don't fear. You will receive your compensation in tokens. Let's go on into it. So once you have your wallet and you're all set up on it, these should all be hyperlinked for you to be able to see how you're able to go ahead and create a wallet. It's super easy. They're actually made from Trust Wallet. You can see how to from my Ether Wallet. You can also see one from MetaMask. Again, these are the three we recommend. However, if you already have participated in ICOs before, you know exactly how it works. However, ours is probably a little bit different. It's a little bit easier for you. So first off, once you click on Purchase REST using the wallet ID, you'll see here it says if you would like to participate in the Restore Initial Coin offering, you can simply send ETH to this ICO address. After the backend team has verified the transaction, you will receive the REST token. Like we have said, usually you'll receive your REST within, I would say, under 5 minutes, unless there is a clog on the Ethereum network, which is probably unlikely. So you don't have to worry about anything else after you send that Ether to it. So you just pay your transaction fee for the one-way send, and it'll come back to you almost immediately or within the 5 minutes. You will receive REST in the same ERC20 wallet that you sent Ethereum from. And again, this is this needs to be brought up because since exchanges do not have Restore token already, or since if you're sending Ethereum from an exchange, that address that you are given from that exchange is only for that asset. So yes, in reality, an ERC20 token can operate on Ethereum, and your address, your Ethereum address that you hold from your own personal wallet, not an exchange wallet, can receive any ERC20 token to your Ethereum address. However, exchanges operate in a different manner, so it has to have its own individual address. So that's the reason why we say do not send Ethereum from your exchange address, because you would receive REST back to that address, and you would not be able to interact with it. That is the issue. So that is a standard pretty much anytime you would ever participate in an ICO. That is not just this ICO. That is a standard across the board. So if you would like to see, so we can go ahead, this right here, that is the contract ICO address. So there is 59 days left on the ICO that you can participate in. After that 59 days has elapsed, we will finalize the ICO contract. No more tokens will be minted after that point. We have a hard cap supply of 100 million to ever exist, and whatever does not get sold automatically goes back into the growth pool for users to be able to use. So it's not coming to us, it's going straight into the project to be able to, for you to earn. Another way that we would like to go into it, I guess this could be a second part of it, is purchasing Rust using a QR code. Now this, to me, is the simplest way, because I think that Trust Wallet makes it very easy for you to scan this code in it. That's the reason why I personally highly recommend Trust Wallet, is within your Trust Wallet application on your smartphone device, you are able to pull up your Ethereum and you are able to send it directly from your wallet, scan that QR code, and you will receive it immediately back. So it's literally a 1 to 3 minute process once you have received your Ethereum, and then you send it on over and it is completely done. When it comes to purchasing Ethereum, I would look at a couple things online. There are some centralized ways you can do it. There's some decentralized way to do it. However, it's whatever way is easier for you. I don't want to tell you which way to go about purchasing your cryptocurrency. However, I will say that if you're looking for an easy alternative, I would use a third-party system that is actually implemented within Trust Wallet. So once you have downloaded the application and you set up your wallet, you save your keywords, you can then purchase Ethereum from their application from a third party. However, they may charge a little bit more of a fee and you may not receive as much Ethereum as you think, because they take a little bit more. And that is because it is a non-KYC way of going about it. However, if you're trying to be 100% transparent and you would like to be able to, go ahead and get a direct printout at the end of the year when you want to file for taxes, I would go with Coinbase. Super easy, you set up, and KYC process would probably take less than 4 days, and you're good to go. So, if you have any additional questions on how to purchase, you can always give us a shout through our Discord channel, or you can send us an email at the email below. And you can also even send me a message directly on Twitter, or wherever you can find me, because I'm on pretty much every social media site, and it's also listed on the Restore website. So if you have any additional questions, I'm always here. I'd love to answer them. I want to say thank you. Thank you for having interest in the project, the idea, and hopefully we can restore some stuff.